Good morning. Let's start the day with a burst of energy. No need for complicated workouts, just 10 minutes of simple stretches. This quick routine awakens your body and mind, leaving you refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Imagine, you wake up feeling stiff and groggy. Instead of reaching for another cup of coffee, try these stretches. They boost circulation, increase flexibility, and improve your mood. Get ready to feel the positive effects all day long. Think of stretching as a gift to yourself. It's a moment of self-care that pays off in increased energy, reduced stress, and enhanced focus. These benefits impact your work, relationships, and overall well-being. So, grab a yoga mat or a soft carpet, put on some inspiring music, and let's begin our 10-minute journey to a fantastic day. Our necks often carry tension from sleep or stress. This first stretch is a gentle release for those tight muscles. Start by sitting comfortably with your spine straight. Slowly tilt your head to the right, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. Hold for 15 seconds, breathing deeply. You should feel a gentle stretch along the left side of your neck. Return to the center and repeat on the left side. This simple stretch improves neck mobility and eases tension headaches. It also helps to improve your posture throughout the day. Next, let's loosen up our shoulders. Shoulder tension is common, especially if you spend hours sitting at a desk. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Roll your shoulders forward in a circular motion, making big circles. Do this 10 times. Feel your shoulder blades moving gently apart, releasing tension. Now reverse the direction, rolling your shoulders backward for another 10 repetitions. This stretch improves circulation in your shoulders and upper back, reducing stiffness and pain. Time to awaken our spines with the cat-cow stretch. This yoga-inspired movement improves flexibility and strengthens your core. Start on your hands and knees, keeping your back straight. As you inhale, arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin to your chest. Hold for 5 seconds, feeling the stretch along your spine. As you exhale, drop your belly towards the floor, lifting your head and tailbone towards the ceiling like a cow. Hold for 5 seconds, feeling a stretch in your abdomen. Repeat the cat-cow sequence 5 times, flowing smoothly with your breath. Let's stretch our arms with a simple tricep stretch. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Raise your right arm overhead and bend your elbow, bringing your hand towards your upper back. With your left hand, gently grasp your right elbow and pull it towards your head. Hold for 15 seconds, feeling a stretch along the back of your right arm. Release and repeat on the other side. This stretch improves flexibility in your arms and shoulders, preparing you for daily activities. Our hamstrings, the muscles at the back of our thighs, often get tight from sitting. This stretch provides a gentle release. Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Bend forward from your hips, keeping your back straight. Reach for your toes, going as far as you comfortably can. Hold for 15 seconds, breathing deeply. You should feel a stretch along the back of your legs. This stretch improves flexibility and reduces the risk of muscle strains. It also promotes better posture. Let's stretch our quadriceps, the muscles at the front of our thighs. These muscles are essential for walking, running, and other activities. Stand tall with your feet together. Bend your right knee and grab your right foot with your right hand. Gently pull your heel towards your buttock, feeling a stretch along the front of your thigh. Hold for 15 seconds, keeping your back straight and your core engaged. Release and repeat on the other side. This stretch improves flexibility and reduces muscle tightness, enhancing your leg strength. Our final stretch is the butterfly stretch, a great way to open up your hips. Sit on the floor with your feet together, knees bent out to the sides. Bring the soles of your feet together, allowing your knees to drop towards the floor. Gently press down on your knees with your elbows, feeling a stretch in your inner thighs and groin. Hold for 15 seconds, breathing deeply. This stretch improves hip flexibility and reduces tension in the lower back. It's a great way to end our stretching routine, leaving you feeling relaxed and energized. Congratulations, you've completed our 10-minute morning stretch routine. By now, you should feel more awake, energized, and ready to take on the day. Remember, consistency is key. Make this routine a part of your daily routine, and you'll experience the long-term benefits of increased flexibility, reduced stress, and enhanced well-being. Stretching is a simple yet powerful tool for improving your physical and mental health. It's a gift you give yourself. a moment of self-care that sets the tone for a positive and productive day. So, rise and shine with stretching, and embrace the amazing benefits it brings to your life.